When I was in Whitstable, I stumbled upon this amazing vintage shop called Anchors Away Vintage, and it's a teeny tiny shop, and in the back room they had a load of haberdashery fabrics, and they also had these darning eggs that I bought a full set of a couple of years ago at Retrofest in Newbury, and I haven't sold any because it's a complete set. Whereas I was talking to Sally from Anchors Away, and she actually had several boxes of them and was selling them off singly. So if you've ever wanted to try darning your own stockings, then I've put a link and you can get your own egg and see how you do. I should point out that really it's really difficult to darn the stockings we produce and modern day fully fashioned stockings. It's best if you're a reenactor and do traditional, rayon or silk or service weight stockings. And moving on from vintage service weight stockings, what she did have was the cutest box of darning thread, and it's actually rayon, and you can see it's got all the different skin tones in there, and if I unravel a bit you'll see that it is a lot thicker than the nylon that our 15 denier fully fashioned stockings and our glamour seams are made of. It's rather like embroidery silk because that's actually in 3 threads there, so you can make it finer should you need to, but it's not going to be fine enough to do our stockings. That's my find of the week. Totally pristine and never used, and just really cute, and I'm going to use this for a display item. When I was in Whitstable, I stumbled across this amazing little vintage shop called Anchors Away